Welcome back. We're going to be learning about the solid intersect tool now. Let's start by creating a solid, say a box. Next, we'll apply a cylinder. Let's snap the center point here, the radius here, and the height here. Now activate the solid intersect tool. Next, we select the solids to intersect, our box and cylinder. Right-click to finish the selection and execute the command. Let's place one more cylinder. Something like this. This time I'll use the solid subtract command. We select the solid to subtract from. Right-click to finish the selection. Now the solid to subtract. Right-click to finish the selection. Here is our result. And this concludes our tutorial about the solid intersect command.